big breakthroughs of the Commission's message is business has its core competencies, its capabilities that it can apply through its operations, its value chains, from both a risk and opportunity perspective, but not enough is said of the public policy advocacy role of the private sector. And trade associations have always lobbied, business lobbies, and so there's the whole question of responsible lobbying, which the Commission has addressed. And then there's the question of creative, progressive lobbying around the Paris Climate Agreement, sustainable development, not getting rid of our critical soft power here in the US in terms of US aid and OPEC, etc. And I think that the Commission has highlighted that the policy voice of business is also incredibly important, both being responsible about it in the way they advocate, but also looking at new opportunities. Like the We Mean Business Coalition that came together in the lead up to Paris. You're one of those coalitions going forward that are going to protect things like the Paris Agreement and the SDGs. So I think making that case at the level of the individual company from a risk and opportunity perspective, real clear analysis of the financial sector opportunities, the sort of sector-based coalitions, and the policy voice of business are 4 areas where the Commission has been very clear and concise and offer enormous potential to now achieve a step change in terms of implementation if companies take the advice that's in this and the NGOs advocate to them that they do so.